Majestic joins us now with an update on our forecast. I guess it's the case of two things can be true. We certainly need that rain, but we are enjoying these really nice days.
True.
Especially heading into the weekend, and we have sunny skies, warm weather today and tomorrow. I want to start my main weather with showing you our satellite and radar, because we've been talking about the drought. We've been talking about how dry it's been, and it's exciting to see at least a few raindrops pop up on our satellite and radar. This one was from this morning up in the high country where you guys got a tiny bit of rain, but yes, of course, it's going to take much more than that. The big story today will be sunny skies, warm temperatures. You have sunshine all across the area from Dallas to Monroe. We're seeing that right here in the Queen City. A few clouds will be capable of moving in as we head towards the afternoon, but bottom line, we have another really hot day. Now, as we're heading into the weekend, Saturday is going to be the hottest day of them all. And then on Sunday, we have that cold front pushing through. It will pull in more cloud coverage, some scattered showers. And then as we're heading into next week, our daytime highs will only climb into the 70s, which is a lot more seasonal. Here's our 21-hour forecast. Do you have plans today? Well, there you go. Temperatures will be into the mid-80s by 7 o'clock tonight. I mean, it might be a good night to do something fun outside. It would be really comfortable even after the sun goes down. Upper 80s yesterday, upper 80s again today. Don't think we'll actually reach 90 degrees until tomorrow. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Notice partly sunny skies as we head towards later on in the afternoon and into the evening. Those clouds start to move out again. So still a really nice afternoon to send those kiddos out to play. Rain showers early this morning. They were very spotty in nature, but we saw even on some of our cameras a little bit of a downpour there in Boone. A little exciting for them, but surely it is done and over with by now. We're looking at low 70s there in Banner Elk this afternoon, 77 in Blowing Rock as we're heading across the foothills. Going to turn up the heat a little bit more with upper 80s out towards Morganton, 85 in Lenoir, and then heading to the south from Gastonia to Concord, 89 degrees will be your high today and 87 there in Wadesboro. Now, I know many of you love this weather. It actually feels more June-like than it does April-like, minus the humidity. So it's actually pretty nice to be out in, especially if you love this kind of weather. If it's too warm for you, make sure you're waking up early and you're getting outside, getting some fresh air and trying to beat the heat. Tomorrow morning, we'll be waking up to temperatures into the upper 50s and low 60s. We'll see our low here in the Queen City at about 61 degrees. So tomorrow morning should be absolutely perfect. And look at our highs tomorrow, 91 degrees for your Saturday afternoon. If you're heading out to a farmer's market, it's going to be beautiful, but warming up fast. Rain chances only 30% as we're heading into our Sunday. That's about it. And that severe weather risk today is really going to impact several states across the middle half of the country with strong to severe thunderstorms. Some of those storms even capable of producing multiple tornadoes. There's that front off to the west of us, but that's the same exact front that's going to bring us only a small amount of rain. I mean, it really breaks apart as it reaches the Carolinas as we're heading through Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. I do in fact think some people will have some sprinkles for your Sunday forecast, but are we talking about widespread rain? Absolutely not. For one, we won't have the moisture, but for two, we don't have a lot of moist air in the atmosphere. Our dew points really start to drop, and that is going to pull in drier air. So it's one of those scenarios where it's falling way high up, but once the rain starts to reach the surface, it hits dry air and then it just evaporates. Here's a Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast. Beautiful Friday and Saturday, though, with well above average temperatures as we're heading through Sunday. Remember, more cloud coverage, 30% chance for a few stray showers. I think really most of us, we're going to notice that cool down. I'm looking forward to early next week, though. Look at that Monday and Tuesday. That is going to be beautiful, very spring-like before we turn up the heat again with upper 80s returning by Thursday.